Do you need to replace your alternator on your 99 to 2004 4.0 liter Jeep with instructions in under 5 minutes? Well, this video is for you. This is approximately a 20-minute job. Here's a list of tools and parts you'll need. Disconnect your battery. Here is a diagram of your electrical connection and bolt locations. Remove the electrical connector on the back of your alternator. Remove the cover for the nut for the positive cable on the alternator. Remove the nut with a 13mm wrench. With the 1/2-inch breaker bar, release the tension on your serpentine belt tensioner and set the belt aside. You do not need to fully remove the serpentine belt unless you are replacing it. With a 15mm socket and ratchet, remove the 2 mounting bolts that hold your alternator in place. If your replacement alternator does not easily slide into place, you may need to gently readjust your press pin. Reverse the process to install the alternator. Reinstall the 2 15mm bolts. Reinstall your wiring. I supplied a serpentine belt routing diagram for your convenience. Reinstall serpentine belt. Reconnect your battery. Test your battery with a voltmeter. You should be getting approximately 14.5 volts with the vehicle running. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.